Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're going to be doing a review of Heart and Soil supplements, Dr. Paul Saladino's brand. And we got some skin and nails here. We got some beef organs, histamine and immune, joint repair, gut and digestion, and lastly, whole package. So I'll be walking through all of these and we'll talk a little bit about each one. The skin and nail supplement, me and my wife both did see improvements in our durability of our nails. So I would say that this definitely does work, skin and nails. I'm not sure about the skin part. This has collagen, scapular collagen, peptides, grass-fed beef bone marrow, and grass-fed beef liver. What we're gonna say a lot about all these things is that in general, when we're doing a carnivore diet, it's not just about eating meat. It's also about getting a lot of our nutrition purely from food. Let's move on to the beef organs. This one, I would say, I don't take it too often because I eat a lot of organs raw. This has liver, heart, kidney, pancreas, and spleen. But my wife has been taking this as a prenatal, and I would say that it is helpful. We did have some problems with another prenatal brand that, it just has tons of stuff in it, that's, either synthesized in a lab or whatever. So, look at this stuff as, a better source of vitamins and stuff than just your typical multivitamin. But in general, always strive to get your stuff from a food source. Histamine and immune, I've almost finished this whole bottle. I would say that honestly, for the price and everything, I didn't get a whole lot out of it. I don't feel like it really improved any kind of digestion symptoms or histamine or immune response, especially with like an autoimmune condition. Really the diet is what's gonna get you there, not taking supplements, guys. So last one, or this next one, joint repair. I have been taking it. I don't have joint issues. I eat a very low inflammatory diet. So this one, it doesn't really do too much for me. This has collagen, scapular collagen, peptides, chondroitin sulfates, and grass-fed beef bone marrow, right? And then this next one is gut and digestion. I didn't see any improvement with my digestion. I've finished pretty much this whole bottle, taking the recommended dose, and I didn't really see too much of an improvement on anything. All of these, I would say, for the most part, it's a pass for me, unless you really need to get some source of nutrients and you're nutrient deficient. Like if you're not eating organs or anything like that, or you're not eating a nutrient-rich diet, maybe this stuff will help you. Like I said, my wife is taking the beef organs as a prenatal. And cool, so that brings me to this guy right here, which of all these supplements, this is the one I will recommend the most, you guys. This whole package, I've gone through, I don't know how many bottles of this stuff, guys. It's my favorite by far, and I definitely would highly recommend that. As far as like these other ones, like I said, most of them are a pass for me. I've given this to a lot of guys, you guys, and this is definitely for libido. This will definitely give you the best results. Definitely recommend these. But that brings me to the last part of this video, which is, like I've been saying, you don't really need to take supplements. Because the diet that we're eating, if you're eating carnivore, you're getting all your nutrition from your foods for the most part. Some people out there will say that you don't really need to take organs. Some people will. In general, I do like to include organs in my diet, and that's why I have this here. This is 1 ounce of beef liver. 1 ounce of beef liver, previously frozen. You can see it still has some frost on it. I've been letting it defrost for a little bit. I'm gonna take my liver and I'm just gonna cut it up into pill-size chunks. I'm just using my hand here and a knife and a butter knife. It's really easy to cut. So this here costs almost $70 for this organ. And then here, I've got almost an entire pound of liver, which I only need to take this small amount per day, and I'm only paying $6 for the entire pound. That 1 pound has lasted me over a month, right? I'm not taking liver every day, and I'm only doing about an ounce, half an ounce to an ounce a day. So this is definitely a more cost-effective route, and it's definitely a more optimal route in my opinion. You're getting the real source of food here. You're not getting some kind of modified or processed version of it, right? You're getting the real stuff. So I definitely recommend cut your liver up into chunks like that and take them like pills. Here, we're gonna take some right now. Just gonna grab a little chunk. Take it like that. Take it with a little water, and I can just sit here and do that. You don't have to chew it, you guys. It goes down really easy, you guys. So you don't have to take Heart and Soil. You don't have to spend $70 on taking liver. You can just do it yourself. And there is some convenience to these, right? Like if you're in a place where you can't get access to organs, do I think they're bad products? No, not at all, especially this whole package. Definitely recommend that one. In general, I have a hard time finding testicle. That sounded weird. I'll keep taking my liver here. I'll finish all these supplements, sure, but I probably won't buy any more after that. That's just the reality because it is quite expensive, you guys. Let's just grab one big handful of all this and let's just finish it off, you guys. You know, I'm not afraid of taking a lot at a time. You know, some of you guys that are starting out, you maybe want to go one at a time, one little chunk at a time, but I'll just take the whole thing. And with all that being said, thanks for watching and like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.